Nestled in the breathtaking Snæfellsnes Peninsula of Iceland, Rauðfeldsgjá Gorge awaits explorers. From the parking lot, it's a short, scenic walk to one of Iceland's hidden natural wonders. The path is straightforward, but rocky. Steady footwear is a must to truly enjoy this experience. As you make your way toward the gorge, take a moment to soak in the dramatic cliffs and lush green surroundings. This area feels like stepping into a fantasy world, shaped by the raw power of nature. The trail itself is uneven, so we recommend wearing hiking boots or sturdy shoes. And if you're filming, a camera stabilizer will help capture smooth, cinematic footage to share your adventure. Rauðfeldsgjá Gorge is not just a marvel of geology, it's steeped in folklore. According to Icelandic sagas, this gorge is named after Rauðfeldur, a character who met his fate here after being pushed into the gorge by his cousin Bardur Snæfellsnes. It's a place where history and myth intertwine. The magic intensifies as you step inside. The walls grow taller and the air cools. For those equipped with proper waterproof footwear or even resin boots, you can wade into the narrows and venture deeper. In the heart of the gorge, you may even spot ice formations lingering even in the middle of summer. It's an enchanting contrast to the season's warmth outside.